What is up, party people? Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a video on this little washi tape dispenser that my sister bought for me on Amazon. I still have it in the original box. I've been saving it for this video in particular. And Ate, if you're watching this, thank you so much again. I think these are really cool. She bought these so that I could organize my washi tape, and she bought some for herself as well, and I really like how they look. So it's just a clear acrylic dispenser, and I will try to get the link and leave it in the description box below. But she bought me 4 of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and see how much of my washi tape I can fit in here. This video will be a little bit of a sneak peek into my washi tape collection. I don't think that I'm going to be able to fit all of my washi tape in the 4 dispensers, but something that I do want to mention before we fill it up is that these are actually stackable, which is really nice, and you can continue to stack as high as you'd like. I will probably stack the 2 and put the other 2 alongside it on my desk, so I'll share that with you guys as well once it's all set up. So most of my washi tape is actually set up in my desk drawer in some boxes, but I do have a couple that are still in the tubes, and these are both from Michaels. So I'm actually going to set these up in the dispensers, that way I can toss the plastic tube. I didn't really like this method of storage, but it's what I had available to me. This will be the first time that I set up my washi tape in these dispensers, but I don't know if you guys can see, I'm going to turn the rod in the middle and it just pops out like that. So once I put my washi tape back in, I will turn it to lock it in place. And if I need to switch washi tape out, I just pop it back out like that. So I was able to fit 3 regular size washi tape, or average size I should say, a large washi tape roll, and then a skinny tape roll. And what's nice about this dispenser is you can pull out your washi tape, and it does have the teeth to cut your washi tape off. That way you don't have to pull out any scissors. It's right there ready to use. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you, that was a little difficult for me to set up. I don't know if it's because of my nails, and also some of these rolls I haven't even used before. Alright, let's go ahead and fill up the next one. What's great about these rolls from Michaels are that they're already themed in terms of color and design, so I don't have to think too hard about what's going next to each other in these dispensers. And to make my life just a little bit easier, I'm gonna get these rolls started for myself. Shoot, I peeled off a piece of washi tape already. I think it's because I made this one too tight. So let me pull off this last roll. I guess this would have been easier for me to just set it up like this. We're learning together. All right, so those are my 2 dispensers set up so far. Let's go ahead and open up the next box. Okay, I think I finally got the hang of this. Setting it up prior and then putting the rod through, definitely a lot simpler. This one is skinnier because I cut some of this washi tape in half and then put it back for later use, if you're curious as to why it looks like that. Oh, this skinny one is already coming off the roll. I don't know how well it will do in this dispenser, but let's set it up because I do have room for it. So that's dispenser number 3. These 3 gold ones came from Target. And these 2 came from Daiso. Even though these came separately, I think they all look nice sitting next to each other. So here are all of my acrylic dispensers filled up with some of my washi tape. I think it looks really nice, and again, I can stack them like so. I think if I were to do this with all of my washi tape, I would probably need 4 to 6 more of these guys, but this will do for now. And if I leave this out on my desk, I can just switch it out with whatever washi tape I choose to have for that particular month. Some of my washi tape is seasonal, so it kind of works out. Would you guys be interested in seeing a full washi tape collection video? It's something that I've been ruminating over, but not sure. So let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button so you never miss a video. And like the video if you enjoyed it. Leave your suggestions for future videos in the comment section below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.